Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the overlay tool and giving it the permissions it needs. Once installed, run it as administrator so the driver or virtual device can initialize. Make sure screen capture and accessibility access are enabled in system privacy settings, otherwise the overlay cannot read input. Close any other input capture programs to avoid device conflicts. Once done, open the Overlay Settings panel and proceed to the Input Mapping section so you can assign key and mouse visuals. Next, you map each input to a visual representation and decide why each choice matters. You assign common keys and modifiers, choosing icons and scale so they remain readable on camera but unobtrusive in-game. Then, configure the mouse pointer graphic and click effects, set duration and easing so clicks register without lingering. Also set hotkeys for quick on/off control during streams. Make sure to test animations live and tweak opacity, and layering so the overlay sits above apps, but below HUD elements. Finally, you run a full recording test at your target resolution and bitrate to verify visibility and performance. Once done, monitor CPU and GPU usage. Switch to GPU-rendered overlay if CPU spikes or frame drops occur. Record a few scenarios, rapid typing, double clicks, and modifier combos to ensure visuals keep up. If you encounter stuttering or missing inputs, toggle conflict mode and restart the overlay. One key troubleshooting tip: bind an emergency hide hotkey so you can instantly disable the overlay during live problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.